Hello, dear listeners, and a joyous Merry Christmas to you all. Today I bring forth a tale that embodies the true spirit of this wondrous season, a story of warmth, community, and the magic of Christmas values. In the heart of a snow-covered village nestled amidst majestic mountains, there lived a young girl named Lily. Her tale, set against the backdrop of a snowstorm that threatened to isolate the village, illuminates the essence of this special time of year. Join us on a journey where the smallest acts of kindness, the joy of giving, and the unbreakable bonds of community shine brighter than any snow-covered landscape. As we delve into this heartwarming narrative, may it remind us all that the true spirit of Christmas lies not merely in presents or grand gestures, but in the beauty of togetherness and the warmth of sharing love and joy with one another. So settle in, dear friends, as we embark on a magical adventure that celebrates the timeless values that make Christmas a season of hope, compassion, and the purest expressions of the human heart. In the heart of a snow-kissed village, nestled between pine-covered mountains, the spirit of Christmas permeated every corner. Families adorned their homes with twinkling lights, and the air was alive with the aroma of freshly baked cookies and the sound of laughter. At the heart of this village lived a young girl named Lily. With rosy cheeks and eyes sparkling like freshly fallen snow, Lily embodied the essence of Christmas. She radiated warmth and kindness that seemed to touch everyone she met. As Christmas approached, the village buzzed with anticipation. But this year, a heavy snowstorm threatened to isolate the village, cutting off roads and leaving everyone stranded in their homes. Lily, however, saw this as an opportunity rather than a setback. With a heart full of determination, Lily gathered her friends and neighbors, explaining her idea. "Let's bring Christmas to everyone, right here in our village." Her words sparked a fire of enthusiasm among them. They transformed the village hall into a bustling hub of festivity. Tables were laden with homemade treats and decorations adorned every corner. Lily and her friends crafted handmade gifts, each with a personal touch, symbolizing the true spirit of giving. As the snowstorm raged outside, the village hall became a haven of warmth and joy. Families gathered, sharing stories and laughter. Lily's friends performed skits and sang carols, filling the air with melodies that echoed the essence of togetherness. In the spirit of Christmas values, they organized a sharing tree where villagers placed gifts for one another anonymously. The joy on people's faces as they received a surprise gift warmed everyone's hearts. The snowstorm intensified, but within the village hall the storm seemed distant. Families huddled together, united by the spirit of Christmas. Lily's eyes twinkled as she watched people from all walks of life come together, supporting and embracing each other. As the night drew to a close, the storm outside began to calm. Lily looked out the window and saw the moon casting a silvery glow over the snow-covered village. It was a magical sight, but the true magic had unfolded within the hearts of the villagers. In the aftermath of the storm, the village came alive with a renewed sense of community. Neighbors checked on one another, sharing food and resources. The Christmas values of sharing, giving, and supporting lingered long after the snow had melted, weaving the fabric of their community tighter than ever before. And from that Christmas on, the villagers cherished the memory of coming together during the storm, celebrating the true essence of Christmas, bringing warmth, love, and togetherness to every heart, regardless of the weather or circumstance. If this heartwarming tale has touched your heart as it has ours, don't forget to show your love by hitting the like button below. And if you'd like to stay updated with more exciting stories, celebrating the essence of compassion, unity, and the true spirit of the holiday season, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.